Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing really well. Today I want to share with you my design team kit for Nadezhda Marchena. She asked me to be a guest design team member for the month of February, so I was really lucky and proud that she asked me to be a guest design team member because I really love her kits. I will show you the back side. This is her logo, Marchena Design, and I will post the link to her Instagram and her YouTube channel in the description box below. She decorated the box beautifully and I cannot wait to dive in. I just cut this side open, but I didn't have a peek inside yet. She also included this beautiful card and I cannot wait to start creating with this kit. And let me carefully remove the baker's twine because I want to reuse it. So, and now let's see all the yumminess inside. I really love this pink tissue paper and I'm definitely going to keep this. Let me open it up. It looks really beautiful and I'm going to take it out of the box carefully and show you the items one by one. I'm sorry for the noise. Let me remove the box. Like this. I absolutely love the colors and the Valentine theme, and I do already have some ideas for a project in mind. So let me move this aside for the moment and show you the embellishments first. She included this, I think it's a cut file, and it looks like it's a really nice box to make. I'm sorry, I try to avoid the glare as best as I can. I love these banners. I think it says heart. And she also included some baker's twine and this beautiful lace. Let me open it up. I really love this paper line by Simple Stories. Oh, she also has some confetti in the back. All kinds of small hearts. Yes, here's the banner. Let me see. And some baker's twine. And I love this beautiful lace. It's a little bit stretchy, so it's really nice to use as belly bands as well. And this is the cut file. And I think it's a nice small box, but I'm not sure. I will figure it out. And here's some more of the confetti. And this is beautiful paper that I can use to create a project. And here are some rosettes. Let me zoom in a little bit. Maybe I should take them out of the package. Love the back topper as well. And she included 3 of those rosettes in the kit. Oops. And they look like this. And let me see. Here are some sequins. It's a really nice sequin mix. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm not going to take them out. I want to pour them in a container. And let me see. Here are some chipboard pieces from the collection. Really like those as well. It's like a retro or vintagey kind of Valentine's collection, so it's definitely up my alley. And here are some postage stamps. I love the way she packaged them. And the colors match the paper line really nice. Let me remove the baker's twine and see what kind of stamps she has for me, or she included. And one is falling on the floor right now, but I will pick it up after I recorded this video. Really nice to use stamps in your project as well. Here's another beautifully packaged embellishment kit, and I'm going to open this one and show you what's inside. Oh, look at this. Such a cute container. It has some resin pieces and some little hearts. I really like these kinds of embellishments as well. And she included all kinds of trims and laces. And I love this gold leaf trim. And this is some fabric. It feels a little bit like sari silk. And this is some beautiful lace. Let me remove the pin. I really love these dainty kinds of laces. Really nice. And this is a beautiful doily. It's like in a peachy pink color. Absolutely love this design as well. And she also included some pink tulle with the polka dots. And this is really nice to create a bow with. And there are some beautiful appliques. And I see some fabric pieces. I love the confetti. This is a really nice pink striped fabric. And this is perfect to create flowers with. I do have some of this fabric myself as well. And here's a little bit darker pink striped fabric. I love the edges. Really nice. And this is a beautiful, like a mesh fabric with gold glitter. I cannot wait to start creating projects with this kit. And let me see. Here are some more stamps. Really nice. And some more confetti. I love this one as well. And here is a package of flowers. Some handmade roses. Love this tassel as well. I'm going to take this out of the package to show you. I love these bags with the pink polka dots as well. Oops. Look at this back topper. And I can reuse all these things. This is a clip with a tassel that I can use on my project as well. And here are the handmade roses. And you get 3 in white, or like it's off-white. And 3 in this beautiful baby pink. Really nice. And she also included this frame, which I love. It's a little bit tattered. And the color matched this paper line beautifully. So I think I'm going to alter this frame as well. And let me put it like this. Let me see. There's another package of rosettes, and these are in pink. The other ones were in an off-white color. And I will take one out to show you. They look like this. And I like the fact that they are not too dimensional. So really easy to use on cards or even in your journals. And let me see. She also included this package, and these are all kinds of stickers from the collection. Love this paper. I'm going to take some of them out to show you. There are quite a lot of stickers here. Do I have them all? No. There's even more. It's like a large variety. Some tickets, some sentiments. Oh, I love these. Another little tag. And some more stickers. So this is like a border. Really nice. And here is one as well. And I love these complete kind of kits with the embellishments, the ephemera, because you can easily create all kinds of projects and everything is matching, and I really love that. So thank you so much, Nadezhda, for putting this beautiful kit together. And here are some papers from the paper line, and she wrapped it with this beautiful piece of tulle and this crochet flower. And I like the fact that the way she packaged things, you can all use them in your projects as well. Let me remove the confetti to show you the papers. It's the paper line by Simple Stories, My Valentine. And I love the colors and I love all the cute images. This is definitely my cup of tea. And let me show you the back. It's like a plaid. Really nice. Oh, I love this one as well. This is perfect to fussy cut all kinds of images. And you can use these strips as well. And it's a really good quality, sturdy paper. This is another plaid. Love the color combination. And here are the journaling cards. Oops, let me put it like this so it won't fall off the table. Love these journaling cards as well. And these are 3x4. Perfect if you want to make a journal or just include some ephemera. And this is the back side. But I think I will be using these journaling cards. Here's another one. Really love these images as well. Perfect to fussy cut. And I think it's really relaxing to do that. And I really love this strip of paper as well. And here's the back side. Really nice plaid. Love the color so much. So yeah, this is my beautiful guest design team kit from Nadezhda. And like I mentioned, I will post the link to her Instagram and her YouTube channel in the description box below. I think she makes the most wonderful kits. Her January Inspirational kit was also really beautiful. So I really hope you will check her out and show her some love. And maybe order one of these beautiful kits for yourself. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.